Red teamer plays the role of an adversary attacking an organization and providing feedback from an enemy perspective. Red teamers share similarities to penetration testers, exactly. With a more targeted job role, penetration testers look to uncover many vulnerabilities across systems to keep cyber defense in good standing, while red teamers are enacted to test the company's detection and response capabilities. So, penetration, find as much vulnerabilities as you can. Red teamers again, test vulnerabilities and test also the response time of mitigating, or just the response time is just the best, I think, the keyword here. This job role requires imitating cyber criminals' actions, simulating malicious attacks, retaining access, and avoiding detection. Red team assessments can run for up to a month, typically by a team external to the company. They are often best suited to organizations with major security programs in place. Responsibilities: emulate the role of a threat actor to uncover exploitable vulnerabilities, maintain access, and avoid detection. Assess organization security controls, threat intelligence, and incident response procedures. Evaluate and report on insights with actionable data for companies to avoid real-world instances. Again, we have some recommended learning paths. We will go through them when the time comes.